Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising content for paper 1, and in this video we'll consider the series of 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 all the way to 598. And the question says, calculate the sum of the series. So in a previous video we explained what Sn is, and we also explained what Tn is. Now, to answer this question, we need to combine Sn and Tn. So let us start by considering the sequence. So the first term is 2, the second term is 6, the third term is 10, and we don't know what the position is of the last term. And that is what we need to do first. We need to find the value of n so that we can use it in our Sn formula. Now, to find the value of n, we need to find the general term, or Tn. So, we first need to determine the number of terms in the sequence. So, a is the first term in our pattern, so the value of a is equal to 2. Then, the constant difference between terms is we are adding 4 every time, so the constant difference is 4. And we want to find out the position of 598. So we know that 598 is a term in the sequence. So when I substitute all my values, I now only have one variable, n, which I need to solve. So first we substituted, then we multiplied out 4 with n minus 1 to get to 4n minus 4. Then I moved the 2 and the negative 4 to the left-hand side, and that became 600. So it's 598 minus 2 plus 4, and that is equal to 600. On the right-hand side, then, we are left with 4n, and I divide both sides by 4. And then we have n is 150. So the amount of terms in this pattern is 150 terms. Now that we have the number of terms, we can use our Sn formula as explained in previous videos. So n is 150, the value of a is the first term, which is 2, and the value of d is 4, because that's the difference between terms. Now you can substitute those values into your equation, and remember this equation is available on the formula sheet. Once you have substituted, you can use your calculator, and then the final answer is 45,000. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.